A case that for the first time placed tradition, faith, equality, and the constitution face to face before the nation. The Sabarimala temple, located in the Pathanamthitta district of Kerala, is a famous pilgrimage site dedicated to Lord Ayyappa. For centuries, Lord Ayyappa has been regarded as a celibate deity, and because of this belief, the entry of women aged 10 to 50 years was traditionally prohibited. Supporters of the practice argued that it was a centuries-old religious belief and an essential part of the concept of Lord Ayyappa's celibacy. However, in 2006, the Indian Young Lawyers Association challenged this practice, raised a crucial question: can women be denied entry into a temple solely on biological grounds? And can religious tradition be placed above fundamental rights, thereby violating Articles 14, 15, and 25 of the Constitution? This debate gradually turned into a nationwide discourse, as the issue was no longer limited to a temple but had become a clash between equality and tradition. After extensive hearings in 2018, the Supreme Court, by a 4-1 majority, held that the ban on women's entry into Sabarimala was unconstitutional and that equality and dignity prevail over tradition. The court observed that treating women as impure or unfit solely on the basis of menstruation goes against the core values of the Constitution. However, an important turning point followed. The judgment faced widespread protest in Kerala, and Justice Indu Malhotra, in her dissenting opinion, stated that courts should not interfere in matters of religious belief, as faith rests on belief, not on the test of rationality. In 2019, the Supreme Court referred the matter to a larger 7-judge bench for review, and a final decision is still pending. Now, here's a question for you: what provisions are included under Article 25 of the Indian Constitution? Do let me know in the comment section below.